Hi, welcome to Learn. Preparation tips and tricks to crack RSMSSB Primary Upper Primary School Teacher Exam. Rajasthan Subordinate and Ministerial Service Selection Board, simply called RSMSSB, has announced notification for the recruitment for primary upper primary school teacher vacancies. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details and completed all eligibility criteria can watch this video and prepare for this exam based on this video. Let's see application fee for this exam. For General OBS EWS candidate rupees 450, for OBC MBC rupees 350, for SC ST BPL rupees 250. The payment mode is through online. Let's see age limit for this exam. Minimum age 18 years, maximum age 40 years. Let's see age relaxation for this examination. For male SC, ST, EWS, OBC, EBC, Sahara candidates of Rajasthan 5 years. Female candidates 5 years. Female candidates from SC, ST, EWS, OBC, EBC, Sahara candidates of Rajasthan 10 years. For ex-servicemen, upper age limit of 50 years. For widow or divorced, no age limit. For Panchayat Secretary, 3 years. Let's see what are the qualification required for this examination. For this examination, candidate should possess B.Ed or BLED relevant discipline. For more details, kindly refer the notification during the time of call for. Let's see selection process. First one is written examination and document verification. This is a direct exam. There is no interview. This RSSB will conduct a written exam for direct recruitment. The written exam will consist of 300 marks and the duration of the exam will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. That is 2.5 hours. After the declaration of the written exams, the qualification candidates will be called for the document verification and then the final merit list will be released by the board. Let's see what are the documents required to apply online. Scan recent colored passport size photo in white background in JPEG format and should be between 50 to 100 KB. And scan the signature with blue or black pen on white paper in JPEG format and size should be between 20 to 50 KB. Let's see how to apply for this exam. To begin with, first of all, open the official website of the authority, that is https rsmssb.rajasthan.gov.in. On the home page, the candidate will find the section Recruitment Advertisement. Then click on that section. A new page will open up and search for the advertisement Primary School Teacher Direct Recruitment. Click on the Apply Online link. Now the application has to registration. First, fill in all the basic details. After successful registration, the applicant will receive Raj SSO ID and the password. Now again log in with these credentials. Now fill in the education details and other important details. Upload the scanned photos and signatures. Now preview the application and pay the fee via online mode. After depositing the application fee, the applicant will be allotted the application ID. Keep it safe with them. The application or advised to download the filled in application form for future reference. Let's see exam pattern. Primary teacher TGT level 1. The duration of the exam is 150 minutes. There will be one question paper for the examination. There will be total of 150 MCQ type questions in the exam. That means choose the best answer. There will be negative marking in the exam. For each wrong question, 1/3 of the marks will be deducted. For this exam, geography, history and culture of Rajasthan allotted for 100 marks. For general knowledge of Rajasthan, education scenario, right to free and compulsory child education act and cultural current affairs allotted for 80 marks. For school subject, Hindi for 10 marks, English 10 marks, math 10 marks, general science 10 marks, social studies 10 marks. Pedagogical methodology, Hindi 8 marks, English 8 marks, mathematics 8 marks, general science 8 marks, social studies 8 marks. For educational psychology 20 marks, for information technology 10 marks. So total 300 marks for this exam. Let's see exam pattern for primary teacher TGT level 2. For this examination, the duration is 150 minutes. There will be total 150 MCQ type questions in the examination, like previous one. There will be negative marking in the exam. For each answer, 1/3 of the marks will be deducted as usual, same for TGT level 1. In this exam pattern, for geography, history and culture of Rajasthan allotted for 80 marks. For general knowledge of Rajasthan education scenario, right to free and compulsory child education act and current affairs for 50 marks. A school subject like Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Punjabi, Urdu, math and science, general science, social studies allotted for 120 marks. Pedagogical methodology like Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Punjabi, Urdu, mathematics, general science and social studies allotted for 20 marks. For educational psychology allotted for 20 marks. Information technology allotted 10 marks. So totally 300 marks for this exam. Let's see salary. The salary is rupees 37,800. It consists of basic pay plus grade pay. The grade pay rupees 3,600. The pay bond 2 years. The grade level 10. Salary in probation period rupees 23,700. Let's see how to download admit card. The Commission will release the admit card some days before the exam date. We have mentioned some steps below which candidate can follow to download their admit card. Visit the official website of the Elementary Education Department Rajasthan. On the home page, click the Teacher Recruitment tab on the left side. Then click on the Rajasthan Teacher Recruitment for the primary or upper primary teacher category. Post to this, scroll along with the Rajasthan Teacher Recruitment and enter the application ID and password. At last, save a copy of the Rajasthan Teacher Recruitment admit card for future reference. Let's see how to prepare for this examination. Candidates need to make a proper preparation strategy to ensure their selection. Along with completing the syllabus, candidate also should take care of efficiency revision. Preparation strategy is the most important thing which determines your selection for the post. We have prepared a list of some points that candidates can follow in the journey of the exam preparation. Candidates should be aware of the exam pattern and syllabus and plan their preparation which aligns with their goal. Candidates should make short notes of each topic for efficient revision. Regular revision is also very necessary for retaining the topics. Reading English and regional newspaper is highly recommended. It will help in the general knowledge part as well as the language knowledge section of the exam. Candidate should give several mock tests. It helps with the time management. Candidate can attempt mock test at any websites. Candidate are advised to choose the best study material. The study material should suit the candidate's preparation strategy. Let's see final one, reference book. For general knowledge, Loosens General Knowledge by Binary Khan. General Knowledge 2022 by Arihant Publications. General Science, Loosens General Science by Ravi Bhushan. MacBook General Science by Poonam Singh. For Mathematics, Mathematics for Class 10 by Adi Sharma. Secondary School Mathematics for Class 10 by R.S. Agarwal. For Computer Awareness, Objective Computer Awareness by Arihant Experts. Computer by Ronnie Ahilya, Loosens Publications. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.